So welcome back to Spicy Taco. I'm going out in the fun again. Starting to feel like more like Christmas. But we're like in February 16, 21. And I'm gonna receive a message. I got a package, so try to check it out. So yeah, so we got a box here. Let's try to open it up. It's a really sharp knife. You gotta be careful. Remember, always cut away from you. Alright. Let's flip it over. I think these weigh like 44 pounds. So let's grab the other side. Okay. There we go. And now drop it. And open them up. Go. I think this box is the things you're gonna need to install them. Install to the taco, and I think it's just a bolt on. You don't gotta do no upgrading on it, or make draining holes, nothing like that to it. They're pretty light. I think these are made of aluminum, so yeah, they're pretty good, nice and tight. So they're pretty light. I think this one's, yeah, like around 20 pounds it weighs. I don't know if you can see it, but it got pretty good welds. It's all welded in place. You know, I actually like them. This is a side step with this is a side step and a rock slider. And in case you hit a rock under your truck, make sure that this bar makes sure that it doesn't hit your vehicle and mess up your undercarriage. So yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Pretty light. Kind of can hear all aluminum, so make sure you conserve that weight. So all right, I'm gonna put this one back. How'd it go? How'd it went? Oh, sorry. Okay. So then now unbox the hardware. Let me just try to unbox the hardware. Remember, kids, cut away from you. Cut away from you. Never cut away from you. From you, not towards you. Okay, there you go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so one of the brackets, nice and solid, nicely packaged. Another bracket. They all look the same. Another one. Another one. Another, it's kind of like a big washer. I think for nothing big. You got nuts and bolts, a bunch of them, and I think you got the instruction how to do it. Put it back on in there. So that's basically it. Yeah, so that's basically it. In a couple of days, I'm gonna make a video of how to install them on the Taco, you know. Yeah, me personally, I don't like to do unboxing videos, but you know, there's people are thinking of buying something like this and they want to know what kind of items do they have. So that's the only reason I do the videos. So yeah. Okay. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. So yeah, so make sure you hit the like button and the bell icon, so make sure when I upload a video you won't miss out, because I'm planning on installing these I call it side steps on the Taco, and I think that I'm gonna do the KC lights that I purchased to do ditch lights on them on the Taco, and I want to know where you're from, what kind of vehicle you're driving, and what you'd like to see on the channel. But thank you for watching, and have a great day.